Morning.
The entire team is very tired. It's been about 24 hours since we left Sydney. 6 of us had missing luggages, so missing luggages just arrived. Got delivered from Houston to Austin. We just picked it up. Very tired, about to go to our hotel. We really enjoyed our trip. So here we go.
We welcome everybody here in Austin, and we want you to send a good message to people where you're from, so they can come next year and discover what we have here. We're all friendly here.
First day out, we are in the convention center.
Just press or just hold?
It's already filming.
Oh, it's filming. Okay.
The director of Get Out and now the director of Us, which is his new film. It's been highly expected and anticipated by everyone. So yeah, the queues are massive. We didn't try to get into this one, but it should be good.
Eager for it. It's going to be a long day, so you've got to get ready for it. Hey, we're about to go check out Mighty Noxon. She's a hit writer-producer. She's got hundreds of TV hours under her belt. She's just been working on the show Code Black. She's got plenty more projects coming out this year. If we want to hear what she has to say about the TV industry, producing and writing in general. Awesome. Let's go.
The truth of my life and the life that other people lead.
This is why I love this crowd. This is the South by Southwest Your Opinion Sucks show, courtesy of Rotten Tomatoes. How is everybody feeling today? Make some noise. We hear you. Some of the nation's best critics. How about a hand for our panel of critics on stage? The fans are really starting to get into this on social media. So, Kevin, you say Finding Nemo is better than Finding Dory is better than Finding Nemo.
But I love both.
Excuse me, you love both. And I got to be honest with you all. Right now on Rotten Tomatoes, Finding Dory is at a very healthy 94%. And so I guess we just have to yell at the critics. Critics! Yeah, that was aimed right at you, Scott Mance. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your South by Southwest. We appreciate it.
So hope I'll see you tomorrow?
Yeah,
okay. And look out for the spiders, man. They're cute. They're just huge. Hey, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Thank you for videoing this. Hi, Mom. I hope you're watching. I love you.
Nice guy. It's a good event.
Was it good meeting him?
Yeah.
What did you think about the panel?
The panel was fun. It was a lot of people just arguing about movies that are either bad or good, or so one guy thought that the Star Wars prequels were great. It's delusional.
I had the protagonist being a demon called Crawley, who was a demon, but he was a lot like Aziraphale. And what Terry did, you know, the big thing that he brought to that when he did his draft of it was split that character into two. And so from the word go, it was sort of like he'd taken that thing that I created and gone, actually, let's have the cool half of that And the awkward half of that, you're going to sort of split them off into the good and into the evil. And but it's still that strange feeling that it is one person.
Welcome to Texas!
We're making tea. America doesn't have milk.
When I was working at ABC and I left Buffy and I'd been at Fox and I couldn't get anything of my own made and
Power within yourself, but not stay in your own area alone. I want to know what is the newest invention that is on the ground, and I want to listen to music and to dance to it if possible.
We can't give up. We have to keep fighting, and it's important that we and the industry has the optimism to fight for the things that we believe in and to build the internet that we want.
Quality of our relationships at work determines the actual quality of our work and our overall ability to succeed.
Here's what we got. We have 2 classes that you can sit in at 11 in just a few minutes. The other one is Latin American television, more of a, well, it is like a junior, senior level.
First one, everyone wants to go to the first one.
Follow me.
And you can find out more too about the funding packages and things like that as well.
Used by the broadcast journalism students, and one is used, the studio down the hallway is used by the radio, television, film students for their 3-camera production courses. We can just pull up a couple of buttons, immediately like switch to teleprompter controls, CG controls.
5 of us in this car, or 6 of us with you, obviously. Thank you so much. We're getting down now.
Hi Jodie, here from Sydney, Australia with my class from TAFE.
Just wondering what you think the best and worst changes have been in the industry over all these years.
So many different things that changed and happened. You know, the global economy changed everything. When America became the great, not just the great consumer of entertainment and movies and media and culture, but exported that whole idea of culture to everywhere else. Like that affected and changed everything. Me, the person who was in the movie business, who loved going to movies, never goes to movies. The viewing habits have been changed, and I don't think they're ever going to come back. So that, to me, I think is the saddest thing, is that even though I embrace, you know, people watching movies on their smartphones or people watching movies at home, the thing that made me was my mom picking me up from school and taking me to a movie theater, and they didn't have DVDs then. We didn't have video cassettes then, and so we'd have to see a movie 3 times, and we'd go back and see that film, or we'd go to a film festival because that was the only way to see films from other places, or that's gone.
She said that she didn't think she could ever be a director, but then she tried and she started doing it, and as she was doing it, she started learning about it, and I identified with that because I feel that when I start doing things, I start learning more about it. I can't just read about it in a book, I have to actually do that. So I think moving forward in my life and my career, I need to try different things in order to become a better person and a better filmmaker.
Managed to meet her and her talking about film directing and female roles in the industry. That was very informative and gave me the courage to keep doing what I'm doing. So hopefully one day I'll be in her seat.
You don't often hear from female producers and directors, and to see them actually going out and achieving stuff gives me faith that if I work hard enough, I'll be able to get to where they are.
I was thinking
is lots to see in this world.
I also like seeing Texas and the culture here.
I managed to do a bit of networking.
And it was really great to see other students work.
New skills that I can take back is camera handling skills, sound skills, lighting skills, also directing skills.
If you have a passion and if you have a drive, you can reach places that you want to be in the future. You can do anything and everything is possible as long as you don't give up and you just continue to work hard for the things that you want to achieve.